friends, Miss Tracy here. We miss you so much at school. So I thought Miss Tracy would do a fun science experiment with you today. So Miss Tracy has this pumpkin. What color is our pumpkin? It's orange. You're right. So Miss Tracy's gonna cut open this pumpkin so you can see what's inside. So Miss Tracy's gonna use this to cut open our pumpkin. Now, if you're doing this at home, friends, make sure you let a grown adult cut open your pumpkin for you so we can stay safe, okay? So Miss Tracy is going to open this up. What do you guys think's on the inside? I'm not sure what's in here, but we're gonna find out. And then Miss Tracy's gonna dump some stuff inside our pumpkin so you guys can see what it does. All right, we're almost there, friends. Almost got the top off. All right, one more cut, and I think the top of our pumpkin will be off. All right. Miss Tracy's gonna move this over here so we can stay safe. Whoa, and here's the top of our pumpkin. Do you guys see all those seeds? Those are pumpkin seeds. This pumpkin has a lot in there. And it also has all this orange gooey stuff from inside the pumpkin. It's really squishy. You guys wanna see what's inside the pumpkin? Look at all those seeds. And all that ooey gooey orange stuff. That's what's inside our pumpkin. Let's see if we can pull it all out. Whoa, look at all those seeds that were in there. That pumpkin was really tiny for all those seeds. Oh, goodness. There is a lot of seeds in there. Let's see if we can dig them all out. It smells like pumpkin too. All right, guys, want to see the inside of our pumpkin now? It's kind of empty because Miss Tracy pulled all of the pumpkin seeds and all the ooey gooey pumpkin guts out. And we're gonna pull the rest of it out. And then Miss Tracy has some baking soda and we have some vinegar that we're gonna pour inside our pumpkin, and we're gonna watch what happens. What do you guys think will happen when Miss Tracy pours that baking soda and that vinegar in there? What do you guys think will happen? I'm not sure what's gonna happen, but we're gonna find out. All right, let's see how good our pumpkin looks on the inside. All right, what do you guys think? You guys think that's clean? We get all those pumpkin seeds out, all those pumpkin guts. Look at all that. All this was inside this teeny tiny orange pumpkin. That was a lot for a small pumpkin. All right, so first Miss Tracy's gonna take our baking soda. This is our baking soda. We're gonna pour a little bit on the inside of our pumpkin. You guys see it going in there? All right, and there's our baking soda inside our pumpkin. All right, and now we're gonna pour some vinegar on our baking soda. Let's watch what happens. All right, you guys ready? This is our vinegar. Here it goes. Are you watching? What's gonna happen? Whoa! Do you guys see that? All that baking soda came out of our pumpkin. It was like a small pumpkin volcano. See if we dump a little bit more, if we'll get some more to come out. Oh, there it comes. Do you guys hear it? Do you guys hear it bubbling? Let's do one more. Whoa, there it goes. Do you guys hear it? What'd you guys think? Did you guys think that that was going to happen? That it was gonna foam right out of the inside of the pumpkin? That was pretty cool, huh? All right, friends, Miss Tracy hopes you have a great day, and we'll see you soon. Bye.